Well, obviously the BigRep's kind of allowed us to really make this project unique. We could print 24/7, whereas, sculpting is humans who need breaks and need to sleep, whereas my BigReps need a little bit of grease once a year and they just run nonstop.
So when you have a big volume like the BigRep, you're actually able to make super complex shapes without the need of expensive equipment. This method is very fast, cost-effective, and we can do a lot of iterations. That's where 3D printing and carbon fiber are made for each other.
We invested in the BigRep Pro because the need for large-scale additive manufacturing increased over the time. We were not able to catch up all these needs, and that's why we need a machine that also has a higher speed that we can produce even more. To our mind, the Pro may be the enabler for end-use automotive parts.
Starting from prototyping, now having the first part which is produced in a small series, I could really imagine that for special cases we are moving completely to 3D printing because the BigRep printer is really suitable for that.
I used to think that 3D printing had no purpose at Boyce Technologies. I used to think that the fastest way to do something was to do it out of a piece of metal. And what I'm realizing is that 3D printing has so much value in tooling, in prototyping, in packaging. I don't know how to live without 3D printing anymore.